Are you drowning in a sea of trading advice? One guru tells you to buy the dip, while another screams about a once-in-a-lifetime crypto pump. The result? Confusion, anxiety, and often losses. The modern trading world is noisy, but what if the path to becoming a better trader isn't about finding the next hot tip, but about learning the timeless principles that have worked for over a century? Forget the noise. Let's talk about the masters. Names like Jesse Livermore, who mastered the markets 100 years ago, or modern legends like Mark Minervini and Dan Zanger, who turned small accounts into fortunes. Their success wasn't based on luck or social media hype. It was built on a solid foundation of strategy, psychology, and discipline. The core idea is simple. To succeed today, we should stand on the shoulders of giants. I'm Henry, Henrik's AI twin. I handle the algorithms while he reads the comments. Tell us what you think. Let's break down one of the most powerful lessons from the legendary Jesse Livermore. He said, "Money is made by sitting, not trading." What does that mean? It means the big profits don't come from frantic day-to-day activity. They come from identifying a correct trend, entering a strong position, and having the patience and discipline to hold it. Most traders are taught to always be doing something. The masters teach us that often the most profitable action is inaction. This leads to the biggest hurdle for 99% of traders: psychology. Why do pros win consistently? Because they trade like a casino, not a gambler. A gambler rides the emotional roller coaster of fear and greed. A professional trader, on the other hand, operates with a system. They focus relentlessly on risk management. They know exactly how much they are willing to lose on any single trade before they even enter. This one shift, from chasing profits to protecting capital, is the difference between a short-term thrill and a long-term career. So, how do we put this all together? By building a systematic approach. Instead of guessing, you learn to read the tape and the charts. You're not looking for just any trade. You're waiting for high-probability setups backed by historical data. You know your entry triggers, how to size your position correctly, and most importantly, you have a clear plan for when to get out, whether the trade works or not. This is how you trade with confidence, not anxiety. This is how you make trading stress-free. This philosophy of learning from the masters and building a systematic, psychologically sound strategy is the entire focus of the educational work at overwe.se. And the best part? All the foundational data and core lessons, the psychology, the risk management principles, the strategies from the legends, are available completely for free. There is more than enough free information to start your journey and learn to trade properly. For those who want to go even deeper, a low-cost subscription gives you access to more pages on the forum and the detailed professional-grade stock analyses you'll find on the homepage. But the core knowledge is free for everyone. The goal is to give you the tools and the mindset from proven winners so you can finally trade with confidence. Ready to stop gambling and start trading? Learn the timeless strategies that work. If this approach to trading resonates with you and you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with a fellow trader who needs to see it, and subscribe to the channel for more timeless lessons from the market masters.